How do construction workers use geometric shapes in math? Imagine building a house or a bridge. Every part of that structure relies on shapes and measurements. Construction workers use geometric shapes in math to make sure everything fits perfectly and stands strong. They work with shapes like rectangles, squares, triangles, circles, and polygons to plan and build. Knowing the properties of these shapes helps them figure out how much material they need and how to cut pieces accurately. For example, triangles are used to create stable roof supports because they spread weight evenly and stay strong under pressure. Rectangles and squares are common in floor plans, while framing and window or door openings. Circles and arcs come into play when designing curved features like arches or rounded edges. When workers need to build pipes or columns, they calculate the volume of cylinders or prisms to know how much material to order. Angles are also very important. Workers measure angles to cut materials at the right slope or corner. For instance, when making miter cuts 4 corners, they need to know the exact angle to cut so pieces fit tightly. They use tools like protractors, framing squares, and levels to check these angles on site. Sometimes they draw lines that bisect angles or create perpendicular lines to mark where to cut or join parts. These geometric constructions help keep everything aligned and accurate. More advanced uses include calculating areas and volumes to estimate costs and order supplies. Geometry helps in reading blueprints, which are scaled drawings made up of geometric shapes. Understanding symmetry and parallel lines ensures the final structure looks good and is balanced. So, from planning to building, geometric shapes and their math properties are essential tools for construction workers. They help make sure every piece fits, every angle is correct, and the structure is safe and sturdy.